just got to my Airbnb. Walk up those stairs and this is the apartment. It's a private room in the apartment. Very nice. Got everything you need. Got dishes, microwave, stove, fridge. Restrooms right there. The living room. And right over here is my bedroom, where I'll be staying for the week. Apparently it's very common for places in Hawaii not to have central AC, so just about every place just uses fans and open windows, which doesn't bother me too much. All right, let me unwind and unpack. Let's check out the view. That's pretty nice. Alright guys, I'm gonna go find something to eat. Yeah, check that out. This is such a cool view. This is the closest thing I could find. It's called the Red Elephant Thai Cuisine. I'm gonna stop in here and get some lunch. I don't know what this is, but it looks really good. I just asked the lady, you know, what she recommends I get, because it's my first time here and this is what she recommended. So that's what I'm gonna grub out on. And we're back. Home sweet home. Alright guys, this is gonna end day one today. I'm back in my Airbnb. I'm about to kick my shoes off and relax because I'm still super tired from that 8-hour flight. It just drained me. It was an all-day affair, and usually on my trips, the first day, especially after a long flight like this, I just relax on the first day, don't do much. But tomorrow is gonna be the first full day. I'll probably get up at 6 a.m. and try to get out of the Airbnb by 7. Try to get a little bit of drone footage around the area and get an early start for the day. And so that'll be it for today, and I will see you tomorrow, okay? Morning guys, it's about 7 a.m. here in Hawaii. I'm gonna head to a place called Lanikai. Lanikai Beach. Right near there is a hike called the pillbox that I want to try out. I've seen a lot of videos on it on YouTube, and apparently you can get a really badass view of the beach and the mountains and stuff, so that's where I'm headed right now. Let's head over there. Can't get over this view, man. It's incredible. I'm gonna head into this Walmart really quick because I'm currently walking around with some slippers on, and can't do a hike with slippers. I'm gonna go in there and got some hiking shoes or maybe some sneakers, something like that, and a few other things that I need. Let's head in there. So I bought a couple of shirts to wear, an extra SD card, but I forgot to bring my extra ones. Some sunscreen for when I go to Waikiki. Some shoes to go hiking in. They're pretty durable. And some underwear and socks. Here we go. Oh yeah, dude, look at that. I'm gonna freaking die. All right guys, I'm gonna put my GoPro away and focus on hiking up this steep trail. Be back with you in a few. That was a cool view, but there's a higher view. You gotta keep hiking, and decided to put the camera on and show you first person accounts of my suffering. Incredible view. This is another nice view, but it's not even the highest yet. It's called the pillbox, which is right up there. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a old military, like I forget what they used it for, but it's military related, and they call it the pillbox. That's where I'm trying to get to. Incredible view, huh? All right, guys, we're almost there. Got a little closer. It's right there. I think that's it right there. But anyways, almost there. I just gotta catch my breath. I'm not gonna lie, I thought about turning back and just calling it quits midway, because I said, hey, I got a good enough view already. That should be good enough for YouTube and Instagram, but I want to prove to myself that I can make it, so I'm making my fat ass go all the way up to the top. See that? I almost slipped. Holy shit, dude. There it is. Fuck. Guys, there it is, the pillbox. Oh man, it took me about maybe an hour, 45 to an hour to get up here. But the view is worth it. There's a second one up there. You can see it right there. There's a second pillbox, but I think one accomplishment for a day is enough. I made it to this one, and I'm feeling accomplished and tired and out of breath at the same time. And I'm just about out of water, so I'm gonna hang out for a bit, take in the sights, and then go back down and get a gallon of water. I'm sure people are gonna ask what it looks like inside. Oh my God, that breeze feels amazing. Anyways, this is what it looks like inside. Dude, the breeze, amazing. It feels so good. Time to say goodbye to the pillbox and head back down. I'm well rested, but it doesn't look like it's gonna be any easier than it was getting up here, because I'm still going back the same trail I came up with, which is very steep, and if you don't get good grip, you could slip and bust your ass. So just gonna enjoy the view for a few more minutes, and then we'll get out of here. Guys, I just wanted to take a moment, give myself a pat on the back and a gold star for making it all the way up to that pillbox. Looking at it from down here, I'm not even at the very bottom of the trail yet, but just right here, god damn, that is a far hike, man. That's really far. I'm glad I did it though. All right, guys, I made it. And I forgot to tell you, they got water coolers here for you to hit up, which I'm about to do right now. All right, guys, finally back on solid ground. Just finished the hike. Unfortunately, those coolers at the bottom of the hike didn't have any water in them. So I'm gonna get an Uber, get to the nearest store, get a gallon of water, and chug. Look at that. Look at the top of that mountain. That's where I was, way up there. So good. Monster burrito right here. I know it's not Hawaiian traditionally, but it's the closest thing to me, and I am starving. You guys have shaved ice?
Yeah. Good. Lemon lime?
Yes, sir, please.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I had two already written.
All right.
10-15 miles.
Guys, this right here is the entrance to the beach. You can see it back there. And this is all sand, so what I'm about to do is take off these hiking shoes slash boots and go barefoot, or maybe just use my sandals. So let me get those off really quick. My God, check out this beautiful beach. Jesus. All right, guys, me taking my first steps into the Hawaiian Ocean. Oh yeah, that feels incredible. Got the backpacks over there. Alright guys, I'm gonna end today's vlog here at Lanikai Beach. Just gonna enjoy the water for maybe another half hour or an hour. And then after that, head back to my Airbnb and rest up because it's been a long day. That hike took a lot out of me. So, like I said, I'll end it here and I will see you in the next one, okay? Cheers.